How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Welcome, ma'am. I am also fit and fine.
Today I have seen your video and you mentioned below the video 102, I think. 102 out of
Yes.
1000.
Okay. Yeah, right.
So, what is your goal? You want to fulfill your goal around 1000, up to 1000.
Okay. Ma'am,
You want to,
everything say good things take time. It's normal thing. And I set this target for 2 or 3 years. Because if I spend time 2 or 3 years, so I will be fluent. Because I am in job, sometimes family responsibility. There are many things. So I try to be determined. So I set this target that 1,000 videos, and every day one video. So it's 3 years I will complete, and I think 3 years
okay.
is more than enough. 2 or 3 years.
Okay, so these numbers always remind you you have to upload your video, you have to converse with someone. So I think it's an indication for you.
Right, right. It's like a indication for me.
And
Right
I am
now I have
so
pressure. It's a
inspired
positive.
with
It's
you.
it's a positive
I
pressure that
yeah
some of my colleagues they motivated from my channel that why it is start. Right now they are happy that
yeah.
you are doing
So
great. So
yeah.
yes, ma'am. Correct.
And after seeing these numbers, I inspired a lot. And I think I also do this. I should also do this because when we indicate something, so we should do easily because then these numbers indicate you. These numbers pushing you. Just upload this video because when you left one day you feel that your my number is not high, getting higher. So yeah,
Yes,
I
absolutely right. And main thing, the benefit of from my channels, I got right guidance. Sometimes my viewer, like my family, message there. Today you are nervous. Improve this thing, that thing. So it's energy, like it's provide me energy.
that thinking is very amazing, and I think I will also use this kind of thing.
Okay, tell me about your English journey. When did you start your
Yeah,
channel? When did you start speaking?
actually, I have been learning this language 1.4 years, but I was not bit consistent. Uh, I I did only 2 months and take 15 minutes, 15 days gap. So
Oh,
I was not good at English, and because I am homemaker and I have two children and being a housewife, and I have lot of responsibility. So sometime I took gap, but now for 1 month, 1.3 1.3 months, I have consistent. Now I feel better. Now I am confident to speak. Earlier, I got hesitated to speak. While speaking, I think too much, and before speaking, I feel like always. mm, I always felt that I'm not good, I can't do this. But day by day, I did practice, and I feel I will do, and I will have to do because
yes, ma'am.
if I
You
if
will
I
have to do.
want to improve
You
my
can and you will.
personality, so I have to
Yes.
do this. Yeah,
Right now you are speaking very well.
responsibility is a part of life, and learning is also part of life. So we have to manage all that thing, and yeah, we will. I think that I will succeed eventually.
Yes, ma'am. This is the only way. And but consistency matters. And sometimes, like you told me about your journey, Sometimes you skip practicing, like you practice for 1 month and after that you skip for 15 to 20 days. So again you restart from zero. So it will hamper your progress. But consistency matters. Don't take,
Yes.
don't do, don't make too much difficult timetable. Practice for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, but make consistency. So it's very beneficial for you.
So
And you are on right track.
so yeah, and then that was not right for me. So I decided to make my own channel, and because of that I maybe upload my video. So that was the reason I will upload. So that's why I made my own channel. And again I I took pause again. Mm, but now I have started it again now. Yeah, this is my first video. Yeah, and since today I have started, and I will have convert daily.
Yes, ma'am, it's very nowadays it's very easy thing. On Skype, here are many groups, so you don't have difficulty to find partners. They here are 300, 400%. So at least 1 year you can spend here without any obstacle.
Yes. So Vishal, it was nice meeting you. Okay, bye.
Okay, ma'am.